Welcome back to Move Call AI Deep Dive. Today, we're dissecting the algorithmic dispatch, how AI is reshaping physical logistics and field services.
Sarah, algorithmic dispatch sounds like another buzzword. Is AI truly making a fundamental shift or just optimizing existing systems?
A fundamental shift, Mark. We're talking about dynamic, predictive optimization far beyond static routing software. AI learns, adapts, and forecasts.
Forecasts what exactly? Traffic, weather, spontaneous package delays?
All of that and more. AI predicts vehicle breakdowns, estimates job completion times, even optimizes technician assignments based on skills and location in real time.
So less human intuition, more machine logic. Does that improve ROI for businesses?
Significantly. Reduced fuel costs through optimized routes, minimized idle time, faster service delivery, and higher customer satisfaction.
But isn't there a huge upfront investment for this kind of tech?
Not necessarily for all. Scalable solutions exist. The ROI often outweighs the investment, sometimes within months.
Give me a concrete example where AI truly shines over traditional methods.
Imagine a citywide power outage impacting multiple field service calls. AI can instantly reprioritize, reroute, and reassign tasks across hundreds of teams.
Okay, that's genuinely impressive. A human dispatcher would struggle immensely.
Exactly. AI handles complexity at a scale humans can't, freeing dispatchers to focus on exceptions.
What about the customer experience? Does AI make it feel impersonal?
Quite the opposite. It enables proactive communication. Your technician is X minutes away, or we've rescheduled due to unforeseen circumstances.
So it anticipates customer needs and provides updates before they even ask?
Precisely. And for businesses, this extends to things like AI-powered 24/7 call handling and automated scheduling.
Meaning better responsiveness around the clock without stretching staff.
Correct. It optimizes labor, reduces missed calls, and ensures every customer interaction is handled efficiently, whether it's a quote or a service request.
So AI isn't just about trucks moving from point A to B, it's about the entire operational ecosystem.
Exactly. From optimizing routes to managing customer communications and payments, AI stitches it all together seamlessly.
It sounds like the future of logistics is less about manual oversight and more about intelligent, autonomous decision-making.
Absolutely. It allows companies, large and small, to move call, to elevate their entire service offering, driving efficiency and customer loyalty.
Fascinating. So for businesses wanting to stay competitive, ignoring algorithmic dispatch isn't an option.
It's becoming essential. AI is reshaping physical logistics and field services from the ground up.
A compelling argument, Sarah. Thanks for the deep dive.
My pleasure, Mark. Until next time.